grade. Let's go over this week's problems of the day today on Win Day. Let's go over the first problem that you did this week. So on 518, the problem says, what number must be subtracted from 100 to equal the sum of 27 and 32? For this problem, I'm going to start by working backwards. So that's the strategy that's going to help me. Okay? So the sum of 27 and 32. So I'm going to add that together. 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, if I continue to go backwards, it says what number must be subtracted from 100, so we have a mystery number here, to equal the sum of 27 and 32, which is 59. So, in order to find out this mystery number, I'm going to start by subtracting the number we do know, 100 minus 59. So 0 minus 9, I can't do that. And I can't borrow from another 0, so I'm going to go over to the 1, cross it out, it becomes a 0. This becomes a 10, which now I can borrow, cross out the 10, make it a 9, and this is now a 10 as well. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, 0 minus 0 is 0. So my mystery number is going to be 41. And if I were to subtract again, I should get 59. 0 minus 1 I can't do, can't borrow, cross out the 1, make it a 0, 10, 9, 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, so the first answer of the week was 41. Let's go over the next problem. Number 2, which was on 519. Carrie wrote the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across a line on a page. If she wrote 75 digits on the first line, the 75th digit was a what? So let's take a look at how many numbers are in the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if she wrote 75 numbers, I'm going to divide that by the number of numbers in our sequence. So 8 times what is going to be close to 75? So let's think. 8 times 10 would be 80, so it's not going to be 10. How about 8 times 9? 8 times 9 is 72, and when I subtract, I have a remainder of 3. So that means if she wrote the pattern out, she would have written all of these numbers 9 times, because 8 times 9 is 72. And then she would have had 3 numbers to keep writing. 1, 2, 3. So my final answer is going to be a 3. That's on 519. Let's take a look at the next problem. On 520, the question is a secret code problem. So I'm going to do star, star, A, B, star, star. And when we see that symbol, it means they want us to do A plus B minus A minus B. And then they give us an example with 10 and 5 in between the 2 stars. So the 10 goes where the A goes. And the 5 goes where the B goes. And now that I have numbers in place of my letters, I can do the math. 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 minus 5 is 5. 15 minus 5 is 10. That was the example. It asked you to express star, star, 9, 7, star, star in simplest form. So then I'm going to do 9 plus 7 minus 9 minus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 9 minus 7 is 2. 16 minus 2 is 14. And that's my final answer for the 20th. One more problem for this week. And it says, 3 shelves contain a total of 60 books. I'm going to draw a picture so it looks like the letter E for now. But I'm also going to label each shelf. 3 shelves, and all of them together have 60 books. Then it tells us the first and second shelves contain a total of 35 books. Then it says the second and third shelves contain a total of 45 books. Oops, I almost wrote a B. As you can see in both of these equations, we're counting the letter B twice. So the second shelf then contains how many books? So here's what I know. If all of the shelves equals 60, just using these first two statements will help me figure out how many books are on shelf C, because 60 minus 35 would be that mystery number. So 0 minus 5 I can't do. Cross out the 6, make it a 5. 10 minus 5 would be 5. 5 minus 3 would be 2. So shelf C, which is missing from this sentence right here, has 25 books. If shelf C has 25, then using this sentence, something plus 25 equals 45, that means B must have 20 books. 20 plus 25 equals 45. And if B has 20 books, I can solve that A has 15, because A and B put together equals 35. So 15 plus 20 equals 35. So what number of books is on the second shelf? The final answer is 20. Thanks for watching this week's video. Comment on this video with the secret word, which is potato, and you'll get a bonus point. See you next week.